Hello, good morning student for class 8th. This is your 6th lecture of 12th chapter of English first narrator. And Anna agreed with her sister and their guest was worthy of their hospitality. As yet Cupid had worked just enough charm to keep things sweet between Dido and Aeneas, and to ensure that the queen gave the guest all the help that he needed. This was the why Venus liked to work things as the goddess looked down with satisfaction on the scene. She received a visitor she had not expected. Juno hailed her across the skies. Juno, sister of love, it is time to end our quarrel with a wedding. Our interests are united in Dido and Aeneas. Let me rule Carthage together as king and queen. Their children shall build a glorious city that will surpass Troy in its beauty and fame. There will be no need for Rome. The Togo Wears shall never be. Carthage shall not be renewed by the Romans. Your son shall be the father of a great people without touching the shores of Italy. Narrator. And Dido saw advantage in the pact with her sister. The following day, when Dido and Aeneas rode out hunting together, she sent Cupid of fire his arrow into the side of the queen. The African sun hid behind a cloud and great storm. जो सूरज था वो कहाँ छिप गया था? क्लाउड के पीछे. और एक जो स्टॉर्म था unusually for this time of year broke out, और इसने सब कुछ कैसा कर दिया, तोड़ के रख दिया. The sharp eyes of Aeneas की sharp eye catch sight of cave, उसने cave and he had the queen there of shelter from the rain. और उस बारिश में वो किसका शेल्टर बना रेन से बचने के लिए. एनियस, हाउ आर यू माई क्वीन, तुम कैसी हो मेरी क्वीन. यू फेस सजेस्ट दैट समथिंग इज ट्रबलिंग यू, तुम्हारा चेहरा ये बता रहा है कि तुम किसी समस्या में. डू नॉट फियर, डरो मत. दिस हरी वर्ली इन द हेवेंस, तुम हर्ली वर्ली हेवेंस में हो. द स्टॉर्म विल पास सून, और जल्दी ही तूफान गुजर जाएगा. डीडो, परहैप्स टू सून फॉर डीडो. एनियास, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द स्ट्रेंज रिमार्क, तुम ये अजीब सा रिमार्क क्यों दे रही हो. डीडो, ओनली दैट एनियास लव मी नॉट. एनियास, आई विल नॉट प्रेशर टू एम टू हाई. डीडो, आई विल ओपन माई हार्ट टू यू, मेरा हृदय तुम्हारे लिए खुला है. इवन थ्रो आई फियर माई वर्ड्स, मुझे डर है. विल ब्रिंग shame on me, I love on who loves fame more than woman. With this my hand I give my heart. With साथ यह मेरा हाथ है, और I give my heart, मैं तुम्हें अपना हृदय देता हूँ. I bow on this sword which saved the from the Greek army, that while Dido lives the rose in Carthage city, I will never love and put her. Dido, your words are like the sweet music of the gods to me. Narrator. And so Aeneas will on by the clouding goddesses swore a love that did not fit his destiny, but future that the fates had spun for him was to sail to Italy and found Rome. But for now he lingered in the ark for Dido. His men mended the broken ship and gossiped and complained about her journal's new distraction. When they spoke for Dido and Aeneas, it was almost as they were speaking once again of Paris and Helen. The word spread and reached even the father of the skies, Jupiter, sent Mercy, the messenger of the gods, to whisper in the hero's ear while he slept in the arms of his queen. And Aeneas dreamed of the Colosseum, the Forum, and the 7 hills of Rome. He was a city more beautiful than Troy. ये सिटी कैसी थी? ट्रॉय से भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर थी. More wealthy and देन कैर्थेस, और कैर्थेस से भी ज़्यादा रिच। इन द मॉर्निंग सुबह ही वेंट डाउन द हार्बर टू इंस्पेक्ट हिज शिप, वह कहाँ गया, अपने शिप पे गया। एंड द हिज कैप्टन टोल्ड हिम, और कैप्टन ने उसे बताया दैट ही वॉज रेडी टू सेट सेल, कि वो रेडी है सेल करने के लिए। ही स्पोक टू एनियास, उसने ये बात किससे कही, एनियास से कही। ये लेक्चर आपका यहीं पे कंप्लीट होता है। थैंक यू क्लास।